Key Secured Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? Most people get secured cards wrong because they assume they are just for beginners. The Key Secured Credit Card is different. It's designed to help users build or rebuild credit responsibly while offering practical features that make day-to-day use simple. You fund a secured account that becomes your credit limit, which removes the risk of overspending. Payments are reported to all 3 major credit bureaus, helping you steadily improve your credit score over time. There's no annual fee, and interest is charged only if you carry a balance. The card also comes with fraud protection, mobile alerts, and online account management, making it easy to track spending and stay on top of payments. Most people overlook how important these tools are. They directly impact credit building success. The downside? It doesn't offer cashback or travel rewards. Its primary purpose is credit building, so if you want perks, this card isn't the right fit. Verdict: worth it for building or rebuilding credit safely. Leave it if you already have good credit or want rewards.